The AI story got 2 million views. The travel reel with satisfying route animation. The data post that screams credibility. The dynamic captions make a 10-second clip feel like a short film. And today, I'm rebuilding all 4 from scratch, step by step. Meet the one editor, Filmora 15, the only tool we'll touch today. Let's break the code. First up, the AI story short. I'm showing you Filmora 15's incredible AI Extend feature that brings still images to life with realistic motion. Filmora 15 link is given in description. Just download and install it. Now open Filmora 15. Here are the new features. Drawing tool and AI Extend. Just import the clip. Drag the clip into the timeline and here is our main video. Now I want to extend it. Just click on AI Extend and just drag the line how much you want to extend it. Here your video clip is added and it says, please describe the content you want to extend, such as object description, movement, camera movement, or environment. So here is my prompt that follows. The girl gently strokes puppy's head. Rain continues falling. The camera slowly pushes. Okay, now set the resolution and duration. I'm going with a 5-second extension. Click on Generate. Watch what happens. The AI generates the rain falling. The puppy and girl are sharing love. It's not an animated video. It's AI bringing a heartbreaking moment to life. Here you can also extend the audio. Let's export. 10 seconds clip. Looks like a short film and it took me just 40 seconds to build. This is how you create emotional stories that get millions of views. Next, the travel route reel. The satisfying path that traces your journey from city to city. It's everywhere because it works. Filmora's pen tool makes this incredibly easy. I drop my map onto the timeline, and I add some pictures to make it more attractive. Then grab the pen tool. Now I'm literally drawing my route. Ghibli Museum to the cafe. Cafe to Shibuya shopping. Each click creates a point. The path follows my journey. Now to make it aesthetic, I'm adding effects to the line. Just select one color and boom, it is added. You can change the color at any time. Here you can change the radius, ending node, feathering, intensity, and many more options. Basically, the design panel is yours. Not only that, you can attach any icon. Here in the Trim Path section, click on Path Follow and just select the preset, like Ship, Minibus, Paper Plane, and Map Marker. I'm going with this red pulse icon. Okay, I'm adding it in the end for now. Here is the final route plan. But it's looking a little bit static. No worries, you can animate it. Just click on Start Automation in the End feature. Then move forward your cursor. Now simply click Start Automation again and increase the value. And boom! I link it to the path and Filmora automatically animates it along the route. You can adjust the speed curve and add zoom keyframes. Everything is available on Filmora 15. But I'll just leave it as it is for this tutorial's purpose. No compositing app, no plugins, just the pen tool. Let's talk about animated charts. Normally, you'd need to manually keyframe every bar, every number, or export from Excel and pray it doesn't break. But Filmora just added something wild. In Filmora, select Effects. Here, click on Exclusive and select Animated Chart. You can see different chart options like Bar Chart, Donut Chart, Column Chart. I'll go with a line chart. In the Data option, you can drop a CSV file. I'm using a Tokyo Trip CSV file straight into Filmora. The data is shown here. On the left, just select the column you want to visualize. You can see here the chart is showing. You can preview it. Here, the light or dark theme option is available. I want a solid dot, so I enabled this option. In the header option, just change the title. You can edit everything to fit your needs. Now click on Add to Timeline, and boom, the chart auto-animates a spreadsheet into a video editor. Next one. You know those captions that pop in word by word and make even boring content feel cinematic? But typing them out manually? That's a nightmare. Filmora's Dynamic Captions feature does it automatically. I drop my clip on the timeline with the voiceover added. Select Text, then under AI Captions, select Dynamic Captions. Choose the file to convert, select the language, and choose No Translation. Now click Generate. Filmora listens to my voice and it automatically matches dynamic effects based on the audio rhythm. Okay, here is the result.
The rain fell heavy that night, but she saw what others walked past.
Here you can pick a style. Filmora has presets. Select Explore and select one. Not only that, you can add animation in your text style.
The rain fell heavy that night, but she saw what others walked past. A tiny life. Sometimes heroes don't wear capes, they just have kind hearts.
And just like that, auto-transcribed, auto-styled, auto-viral. Let's talk efficiency. AI story short. Saved 2 hours of shooting and compositing. Travel route reel. Saved 30 minutes of After Effects work. Data animation. Saved an hour of plug-in wrestling. Cinematic caption. Saved 10 minutes of template hunting. That's around 4 hours saved in total. And we're not even talking about the learning curve you just skipped. This is Filmora 15. Not just an editor, a viral video blueprint machine. Try Filmora 15 with my link in the description. What's your opinion about Filmora 15? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to get more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy creating.